Hello everyone, today I will share the use of aloe vera hormone, new techniques for propagating mango trees, and dwarf plants, ways to bloom and bear fruit early. In the end, you will gain a lot. Please see the operation below. First, pick a healthy and disease-free mango tree branches. Trim off excess leaves. Bottom circumcision. Apply aloe vera and root powder. Fill the soil with coconut shells. Fill in the branches. "48 days later, new shoots and roots have grown. See here, believe in your youth." Light up the little red heart to support me. It can be transplanted into pots. Rinse off old soil before planting in new soil. In order to ensure the survival rate of later transplanting, it is recommended to use genetically raised soil. Because the soil is loose and breathable, good for long-term water retention. Transplanting soil is important. Putting rice ash into the soil can be turned into organic fertilizer, effectively improve the survival rate. Just pour water. Pay attention to my previous sharing. I also learned various planting tips that are updated every day. Please leave a message in the comment area with questions. See you next time.